The Cadac 2 Cook 3 Pro Deluxe QR is Cadac's most popular camping stove. And once you've used one, it's pretty easy to see why. It's a dual-burner tabletop stove designed for camping, caravanning, and campervan life. It sits on your picnic table, runs off a standard gas bottle, and gives you a proper cooking setup without taking up much space at all. Let's start with how it connects. The QR stands for quick release. There's a coupling built into the stove itself, so clipping it onto your gas hose takes seconds, no fiddling around. Both burners have their own push-button ignition too, so you can get one side going while the other's already cooking. What you get in the box is really well thought out. There are two ceramic-coated cooking plates, a flat one for eggs, pancakes and fish, and a ribbed one for sausages, bacon, and anything you want proper grill marks on. Both plates use Cadac's GreenGrill coating, which is free from harmful substances and harder wearing than standard non-stick. They clean up easily, just to wipe down with warm soapy water or straight in the dishwasher. You also get two pop stands for pans and kettles and a smaller coffee pot stand specifically for your percolator or camp kettle in the morning. That's a nice touch. You're not boiling a full-size pan just to make a brew. On breezy days, two removable windshields clip on to protect the flames. Rubber feet on the base stop it sliding around on the table. And when you're done, the whole thing folds flat and packs into its own carry bag, with separate pockets for the plates and accessories. One more thing worth knowing. Cadac's cooking surfaces are all interchangeable. So down the line, you can add a pizza stone, a paella pan, or a plancha plate. It's a stove that grows with you.